Hello everyone, good to see you all in this video. This video going to be the unboxing of Camon iair. The phone comes with infinity display having 8 megapixel front facing and 13 megapixel primary. Well, the company gives one promise: 100 days replacement, one-time screen replacement and 1 month extended warranty. Well, they're good. And 5.65 inch screen having 18:9 ratio, 8 megapixel selfie, 13 megapixel primary, 16GB 2GB variant, old version 7.0 running Android OS, 4G VoLTE, 3050 mAh, and the security is fingerprint. So time for unboxing, let's move on. And here's the sponsor of this video, Selvam Mobiles. It gives the best price for this phone, giving the promo code of DEVANT808. Well, the location is Sathankullam. These are all the inside of this box, having one device, micro USB to USB for data checking and charging, having a power brick, then in-ear style headset and some paperwork, then a soft shell case. So these stickers having the main specification of this mobile phone. It's time to unwrap. Oh my god, it's so glossy. And here's the power brick, 1.2 ampere output, good for the 3050 mAh battery. Well, it says hi OS. Yeah, here this theme and everything is handled by the company called, their name is iOS. The phone looks premium because of this 18:9 ratio. On the back you have 13 megapixel selfie shooter, a little bit bulged out. Here's the time for the insert settings and it remains the same. This phone running on the processor MediaTek and it's an octa-core processor, Mali GPU. Then fingerprint is so responsive while the first initial setup, and I don't know how it is going to be working after the final of this initial setup. Well, the first boot gives a good impression of this iOS, and this AMOLED display gives full brightness. I feel so bad. Time for the test and fingerprint sensor. Yeah, good, responsive, and also the pattern works fine. While the lock screen, you can extend this notification bar. You can also switch on torch. So it's a fluid movement. This iOS is new to this phone and really good to move on. And running on the older version of the 7.0, and the company says there is no update. This phone supports OTG. You can also see that in notification panel, and some apps are installed in your phone like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and also Hotstar also available in this phone. So you can easily manage your phone without downloading any major apps. Also, this phone has gesture control, and here's the camera. The UI is similar to iPhone. All the recent Android have the same UI similar to iPhone. I don't know why. And the panorama also available by swiping from some guys. Here's a selfie camera, and the shutter speed is quite fast. Let's make some macro shots. So exposure is automatically down because of the nearby shots. So it's pretty much good. And yeah, I like this camera too because of this main 13. No, it's not 13, 16. And the half of its friend. So if you like this video, give a like and share, subscribe, and in the description having the sponsors details. Go and check it out. It's me DEVANT signing off. Meet you all guys in my next video. Peace.